Imagine unlocking the secret to visually narrating an entire lifespan, from dawn to dusk, all powered by AI. Welcome to a journey into crafting compelling long-form AI progressive lifespan videos. It all starts with a clear concept. What life are you showcasing? A plant's growth, an animal's life cycle, or even the evolution of a concept. Define your chosen lifespan and break it down into distinct, manageable stages. Our first step in AI-driven content generation is to leverage text-to-video tools. Think of this as your AI scriptwriter and animator. Input descriptive prompts for each stage of your chosen lifespan. For instance, for early growth, you might prompt a tiny seed germinating in soil, with a single sprout emerging for maturity, a vibrant, fully grown plant in its natural habitat, exuding health. Now, let's focus on animation techniques to make this progression truly mesmerizing. Many AI video tools offer various animation styles. Experiment with smooth morphing transitions between stages for a seamless visual flow. Consider subtle camera movements like gentle zooms or pans to add dynamism. If your AI tool allows for character animation, focus on subtle movements that convey life and vitality appropriate to each stage. Visual storytelling is key to engaging your audience. Think about the emotional arc of your lifespan. How can you convey growth, resilience, or even the quiet beauty of aging through visuals alone? Use color palettes that evolve with the stages. Why Euro? Perhaps brighter, lighter tones for youth and richer, deeper tones for maturity. Sound design will also be crucial. We'll cover that in an advanced tutorial, but for now, focus on the visual narrative. Next, we blend AI-generated content with your vision. Many AI platforms allow you to upscale or refine generated clips, or even use them as inspiration to create custom elements. Think about adding stylistic overlays or using AI to generate specific textures or environmental details that enhance the feeling of progression. The goal is to create a cohesive visual language that tells the story of the lifespan. Finally, assemble your generated video segments, ensuring smooth transitions at each stage. Revisit your prompts and your animation choices to ensure they powerfully convey the progressive lifespan you set out to capture. This blend of AI-powered creation and thoughtful visual direction allows for truly unique and informative long-form video content, bringing entire lifespans to life before your viewers' eyes.